The Larson Electronics Automatic Capacitor Bank is a wall-mounted power factor correction capable device designed for low-voltage applications and installations requiring precise maintenance of target power factor in a very small footprint. This unit includes clear fused indicator lights and a manual on-off switch easily accessible on the front cover. Built-in controller controls banks of contactor-connected capacitors. This unit is an automatic capacitor bank, which means that it provides operators with an increased level of protection against electric shock and injury. This device is compatible with wall mounting applications. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.